beautiful view to be driving to today. Goodness sakes. If any of you are road trippers, this ought to be something that you'd appreciate. It's a little hard to sit there and just watch it, I'm sure. With me, it's kind of therapy when I get out on the road. So, you get to see all the different places and people, and you get to see the bad part of people, the good part of people. But, like I said, I think you saw there, Kanab, 64 miles, so this whole stretch down through here is just crazy pretty. If you ever get a chance to get out in a car, unfortunately gas prices are up a little bit right now, but not enough to make it not worthwhile to see views like this. We all sit down and watch TV, and this is my TV to enjoy. So have a good day, and if you appreciate that, hit a like and pass it on. Maybe somebody else can check out this beautiful view. Well, that's probably enough of that. So anyways, if you like it, subscribe, hit the like button, get me up to that 500 subscribers. We're 164 today. It'd be nice if I could hammer down and get everybody there to get 5 people. So but whatever you do, let's get to 500 and I'll get some gear so I can do this a little more legit. All right, have a good day now.